Welcome to Roam Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Root Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Root Insurance Review My Usage Experience offers a way to compare car insurance quotes from Root Insurance and potentially other providers based on your driving habits. Its main purpose is to help users find affordable car insurance. The target audience is anyone looking for car insurance, particularly those who believe their driving habits might qualify them for lower premiums. Key features likely include comparing quotes and potentially incorporating data from a driving app. Their website provides details on how their insurance works and allows you to get a quote. Root Insurance emphasizes its usage-based pricing model, which means your premiums are adjusted based on your driving behavior. They advertise no hidden fees and potentially no contracts. The technology uses telematics, tracking your driving through a smartphone app or similar method to determine risk. Availability is nationwide, and you can check your eligibility directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Root Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. I simply went to their website and entered some basic information. The interface was clean and easy to navigate. I appreciated the clear explanation of how the quote was calculated. They showed me a comparison between their quote and a few other providers based on the information I provided. Performance-wise, the site was quick and responsive. I didn't experience any glitches or delays. I had a quick question about how they calculate the usage-based pricing, and their support responded within 2 days via email. The response was comprehensive and helpful. I was really impressed by how clear and transparent the whole process was. The standout feature for me was definitely the direct comparison with other providers. One minor drawback was that I had to manually input some data which could have been streamlined through integration with other services. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Root Insurance Review experience. It provided a clear and competitive quote, and the whole process was easy to follow. That's my overview of Root Insurance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Roam Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.